Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of fashion and luxury. This brand is an iconic name in American fashion, starting with a line of men's ties. Later on, it is quickly expanded into a full line of menswear, women's wear, and accessories. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Ralph Lauren, Ralph Lauren, Ralph Lauren, Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren is renowned for its timeless pieces, including the iconic polo shirt, which epitomizes casual elegance and has become a wardrobe staple worldwide. The brand's offerings extend to tailored suits, sophisticated dresses, and luxurious home furnishings. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Ralph Lauren, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.